The first step to diagnose a motherboard is to check the input voltage. In the back of the power connector, locate the two coils. You will find here 19 volt for this board, but if you deal with another board with 5 volt or 15 volt, you will find here 15 volt, 5 volt, depending on the type of the motherboard. So this is the first step. After the two coils here, locate the switch or the MOSFET and check both sides. You have to find also the same voltage. As you can see, we have 19 volt here in the drain. In the source also, we have 19 volt. Why? Because this is a switch. And the charge IC is the IC that controls the switch. After the switch, locate the current sense resistor. So here we don't have the current sense resistor, so let's go to the other side. Here we have the current sense resistor. If we check both sides, we have to find same voltage. Once we have the voltage in both sides of the current sense resistor, means the input voltage is good. Now the voltage will be distributed to all circuits of the motherboard from this point. Do you want the proof? I can prove to you. So let's select the continuity modes on the multimeter. So here we have the current sense resistor, as you can see. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit in order to see all circuits. So if I put one probe here in the current sense resistor and begin with the first circuit, you see continuity, direct connection. Okay, let's go to the circuit also. Direct connection from current sense resistor to RAM circuit and from current sense resistor to CPU circuit. Okay, let's check also this chipset circuit from current sense resistor to chipset circuit. Direct connection, as you can see. So let's even check the farthest circuit here from the current sense resistor here and go to farthest circuit here and check somewhere here. As you can see, direct connection from here to the current sense resistor. So I prove to you that this is the main path you have to understand. Always locate the current sense resistor. If you didn't find 19 volt in the current sense resistor, other circuits will not get 19 volt. So don't go away and check over here. Always go step by step. So let's power the motherboard and check the voltages in all circuits. So the multimeter to the DC mode, as you can see here, we have volt. And let's check. So always the black probe in the ground everywhere. We have ground everywhere in the motherboard. Okay, for beginners. You can also use the connector here as ground. Let's begin from here. We have 19 volt in the current sense resistor. RAM circuit, we have 19 volt. CPU circuit, we have 19 volt. Graphical circuit, we have 19 volts. The GMCH circuit, we have 19 volt. The ICH circuit here, the farthest one, we have 19 volt, as you can see. So let's break down all this in the schematic in order to understand 100%. So let's begin from the power adapter. Let's say here we have the adapter. Okay, from the adapter we have to search for coils. Usually two coils, L1, L2. After these two coils, and here we have source controlled by the charge IC. So after the switch, we will find here the current sense resistor, or CSR. This component, current sense resistor, has a very low resistance, about 1 to 2 ohm. depending on the type of the current sense resistor. I can even check it right now for you. So let's check this current sense resistor over here. Okay, we have the multimeter. So let's select the resistor mode. As you can see here, we have on mode. So let me test this current sense resistor here. Okay, and find out its value. As you can see, we have 0.3 ohm. So less than 1 ohm. Very low resistance.